Good morning, students. Previous video we discussed 6th, 7th and 8th problem in exercise number 7.1. In this video I am going to explain 9th and 10th problem in exercise number 7.1. Coming to 9th one, if q 0, 1 is equidistant from p 5, minus 3 and r x, 6, find the value of x. Also find the distances q, r and p, r. Here q is a point which is equal distance from p and r. So we have to find out the value of x and also find out the distances q, r and p, r. Actually what he is given that q is a point 0, 1 which is equidistant from p 5, minus 3 and r x, 6 means q is equidistant from p and r. So the distance between pq is equal to the distance between qr. Okay, so using that condition we have to find out the value of x. If you find out the value of x, then again we have to find out the distances qr and pr. So given condition q is equal distance from p and r. So qp is equal to qr. So the distance between qp, the distance between 2 points is given by x coordinate difference whole square plus y coordinate difference whole square. Simply x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Here qp, so x coordinate difference whole square, 0 minus 5 whole square plus y coordinate difference whole square, 1 minus of, again here minus 3 is there, whole square. Similarly the distance between q and r, x coordinate difference 0 minus x whole square plus y coordinate difference 1 minus 6 whole square. Okay, by calculation we have to find out the value of x first. Minus 5 whole square, 1 minus into minus plus 1 plus 3 whole square, minus x whole square, minus 5 whole square, 25 plus 1 plus 3 means 4, 4 square, minus x whole square in the sense x square, negative to the power of even. So again we get positive only, x square plus here also minus 5 whole square means 25. Squaring on both sides. So root get cancelled. If we add one more step, no problem. 4 square means 60. Whole square is equal to root x square plus 25 whole square. Square and root get cancelled. 25 plus 16 is equal to x square plus 25. Here also 25 get cancelled. If we take this side, the 25 negative, so plus 25 minus 25 get cancelled. So I am directly cancel 25 on both sides. X square is equal to 16. X is equal to plus or minus 4. So one task is over. Here find the value of x. Here we are getting the value of x is equal to plus or minus 4. So simply by using given condition and using distance formula, here I am finding the value of x. Also find the distances q, r and p, r. Now we have to find out the distances q, r and p, r. So first of all we have to find out the distance q, r. So here the Q point is 0, 1, R point is x, 6. Distance formula again. X coordinate difference whole square. 0 minus x whole square plus y coordinate difference. 1 minus 6 whole square. Minus x whole square minus 5 whole square. X square plus 25. Here we are getting x is equal to plus or minus 4 and x square is equal to 16. So here x square is there, x square value 16 plus 25. If you put x is equal to plus or minus 4, here square is there. So total, if you put x is equal to plus 4 or x is equal to minus 4, the square is there. So x square becomes 16 only. So 25 plus 16, 35 plus 6, root 41. Okay. So first of all, by using condition, I am finding the x value. Next I am finding the QR value. So again we have to find out the value of PR. Okay. So now we have to find out the distances of here. First distance QR we are finding, that is root 41. Now I am finding the distance PR. So PR. Again I am using the distance formula. Here P point is 5, minus 3. R point is x, 6. X coordinate difference whole square. 5 minus x whole square plus y coordinate difference. Minus 3 minus 6 whole square. Okay, don't neglect the sign. Here minus 3, y1 minus y2. Minus y2 value is 6. So here a minus b whole square. This is a, this is b. A minus b whole square means a square plus b square minus 2ab. 2 into a value is 5, x value, b value is x. Plus minus 3 minus 6, minus 9 whole square. So finally 25 plus x square minus 10x plus 81. Okay. So now x square minus 10x, 81 plus 25. Okay. 80 plus 20, 100, 106 plus 106. Okay. We are getting x is equal to plus or minus 4. So here x is there. So at x is equal to 4. So x is equal, x square means 4 square minus 10 into 4 plus 106. 16 minus 40 plus 106. 106 plus 16. Just you have to do it, calculation part here. 106, 16. How much? 126 minus 40. How much we have to get? 86. Clear? Just I am simplifying. 5 minus x whole square plus minus 3 minus 6 whole square minus 9 whole square means 81. 25 x square 2ab means 10x. 25, 81. How much? 106. 106 plus 16, 126. Okay. Sorry, 6 plus 6, 12 is there. So how much we have to get? 80. Okay. So final answer is 82. At x is equal to 4. At x is equal to minus 4. X square means minus 4 whole square minus 10 into x value minus 4 plus 106. 16 plus 40 plus 106. Here also 120 plus 40. So 120 plus 40. How much? 122 plus 40. 162 we are getting. Okay. So this is the distance between PR. Understand? If you write it, how much you have to convert it? 2 into 81. Okay. So we are getting 9 root. Understand the logic? So first in this question, Q is equidistant from P and R. By using QP is equal to QR, I am finding the value of X. If we getting X value, here we have to find out the distances QR and PR. Here we are getting the X value plus or minus 4. We are finding the QR distance. What happened? X square term is there. If you put X is equal to plus 4 or minus 4, we are getting 69. But when we are finding the PR distance, here the X term is there. So that X is equal to 4, X is equal to minus 4. We are solving the problem. Understand? So next question we have to discuss. One. Find the relation between X and Y such that the point X comma Y is equidistant from the point 3 comma 6 and minus 3 comma 4. Here we have to find out the relation between X and Y. Given condition is the point X comma Y is equidistant from the point 3 comma 6 and minus 3 comma 4. Means for example X comma Y is there. The point is equidistant from 3 comma 6 and minus 3 comma 4. For example, the point P is denoted by P. Here the point is A, the point is B. Given condition, PA is equal to PB. By using this condition, we have to find out the relation between X and Y. So again the distance formula, X coordinate difference whole square plus Y coordinate difference whole square. Here X coordinate difference I am taking from x1, x2. X minus 3 whole square plus Y minus 6 whole square. If it is possible, you have to write it as 3 minus x whole square plus 6 minus y whole square. Your wish. And coming to distance between PB. From here, X coordinate difference. X minus of minus 3 whole square. Y coordinate difference. Y minus 4 whole square. Okay. X minus of minus 3 whole square plus Y minus 4 whole square. Squaring on both sides. X minus 3 whole square plus Y minus 6 whole square minus of minus plus X plus 3 whole square plus Y minus 4 whole square to the power of whole square. Square root square get cancelled, square root square get cancelled. X minus 3 whole square. It is look like a minus B whole square. A minus B whole square formula A square plus B square minus 2AB. Similar way, X square plus 3 square minus 2AB. 2 into X into 3. Here also Y square plus 6 square minus 2 into Y into 6 is equal to, coming to right hand side, X square plus 9 2AB. 2 into X into 3. Y square plus 4 square minus 2 into Y into 4. Here it is Y and that one is 4. Simply I am expanding by using A minus B whole square. Here also one A minus B whole square, here also A minus B whole square. On right hand side also A plus B whole square, A minus B whole square. Okay, don't neglect the sign. So X square plus 9 minus 6x plus Y square plus 36 minus 12 is equal to X square plus 9 plus 6x plus Y square plus 16 minus 8y. Okay. Here also X square is there. Here also X square get cancelled. And Y square get cancelled. Plus 9 plus 9 get cancelled. Is there any similar? No. So finally minus 6x plus 36 minus 12y. Here 6x plus 16 minus 8y. Okay. So 6x we have to take that side. So 6x plus 16 minus 8y, all terms you have to take in from right hand side. Minus 6x become plus 6x. Plus 36 become minus 36. Minus 12y become plus 12y. So 6x plus 6x, 12x. Minus 8y plus 12y. So plus 4y. 16 minus 36 minus 20. Okay. Now we have to divide by 4. 3x plus y minus 4 by dividing with 4. This is the relation between x and y. Okay. Once again, here we have to find out the relation between x and y. Given condition is this point is equidistant from 3, 6 and minus 3, 4. So given condition, I am taking it. This point is P. Here it is A. Here it is B. So by using condition PA is equal to PB, and also I am using the distance formula. So like this. Finally, I am getting the relation between x and y in this expression. Understand? So next video we will discuss some concept about exercise number 7.2.